Use the Pile Properties dialog to specify the type, length and diameter of pile. Follow the wizard to enter pile properties, pile lengths and pile cross sections. The Pile Geometry dialog is accessible by double-clicking Pile Properties in the gateway or Global Data Pile Properties in the Home ribbon tab. If you click on the Pile Properties, you can see a dialog box opening up. Here you can choose the pile cross section. Different options are available. The material type, you can either select concrete or user-defined. If you select user-defined, you need to input the compression, tension, the Young's modulus values in compression and tension. And if you need, the linear coefficient of thermal expansion can also be specified. You will need to choose whether the pile is with underream or without underream, whether the pile head is free or fixed. Next is the option to choose whether your pile has a single length or you need, for example, in design, to consider different pile lengths. You can specify a minimum pile length or a maximum pile length, and you can specify the increment size as well. If you click on Next, you can see that there is an option to input pile with stepped cross sections as well.